Whoa, where am I? Floor 1? What is this?
I'm tired of it. I can't get out. I can't get
Hey,
out. I can't get out.
hey,
How'd you get in here? I thought you were gonna get in
hey,
here.
I'm friendly, I'm friendly, I'm friendly, I'm friendly, I'm friendly.
Who are you? How'd you get in here? Are you another failed experiment? Where are you?
I don't know,
How did you get in here again?
I just randomly, I was sleeping and then I woke up here.
Listen, you made the wrong decision, I guess, by going to sleep, but I don't care. Where you are right now is a testing home. Did you hear that, those footsteps?
Yeah.
Be careful. You gotta run really fast, like this.
What is that noise?
You have to run really fast because there's monsters here and they're scary. Watch, I might be able to show you one. Hello? Hello? Just listen. Follow me. Each monster, almost every monster, has their own type of emergency sequence. Cairo, he was a failed experiment. He was in
What
a
is that?
freezer room
What is that?
where they froze
What was that?
all the failed experiments. They tried to freeze the experiments so they wouldn't. The ones that went wrong were saved. But guess what? Cairo was one of them. He got too tall. He broke out and he froze. But yet he was still alive. That freezing did something to him. Now, whenever you go near him, you can just sense his presence, and then he kind of freezes you when you move. You got the cloaker. All of these people, I took pictures. And it turns out when I took this picture, there was a child inside of him. Or at least somebody just like us. Oh no.
What is that?
Shh. Just don't worry about it. The person that you're hearing right now, his name is Smiley. But
Smiley.
there's more than just him. The cloaker, you might see him, but make sure you don't get him mixed up with me. He might get scared. Then you got the clone. The clone, he's also in the chamber with Cairo. He's Cairo's cousin or family. He's Cairo's brother. As you can see, I caught him in the freezing room when he first came out. That was 5 years ago. Then you got the bitten. He's one of the most scariest. He died, but he's still alive somehow. It's like a ghost. Some monster that's living here bit almost every limb. They bit a piece of his back, his eyes, and his mouth, and his body. He got Smiley. That's him. He's scary. He's one of the biggest monsters here. But then you have this monster, which is probably the biggest monster. His name, the Mutant. He's one of the scariest monsters too. Here's the thing about it. If you get captured by them, for some reason, they don't kill you or anything. They knock you out and bring you back here. They don't want us to leave. And they don't want us to die. They want us to be like them. Next up, you have Baba. Baba is a part of their family. They will not do anything to them at all. You have the Watcher. He was a failed experiment. They wanted to see what candle wax does to monsters and lightning at the same time. What happened was a mixture of this. His whole body's filled with candle wax. Now he's very fast. You got Tripod. Tripod, you only see him if you're in the mine, which we don't speak about. Tripod, we're safe from him for now. You got 750. They built an end gun on him. But also, half robot, but he was a failed experiment. My nickname for him is the Blicky. You know, because of the gun part.
Whoa,
So,
isn't
you
that the
wanna see?
Watcher?
Yeah. Look, watch what he does. You're gonna see how I come back. I won't stop him. He's very fast. Ooh. Go! What did I tell you?
What happened?
Oh, he's gone. Now we must go upstairs. I need to show you the upstairs. Every monster goes there. There's Baba. He sometimes leads us to the great times. And then sometimes he does not. He's a warning. He tells you, basically, when there's monsters around. He comes near you. The monsters always try to protect him.
That's the Watcher.
Because this is family. Come on. Let's go.
The Blicky!
Oh! 750 or T750 or the Blicky or T-Man, whatever you want to call him. T-Money, who cares? You can call him whatever you want. I've been calling him that for years. And we must get him along. Hurry!
I'm getting chased. I was getting chased.
That was scary. These trash, if you hide in it, I made these so I can hide in them. They won't find you in here. Something's coming. Get in.
This is very useful.
I told you. Whew. That was BB. BB is Baba's brother. But yet, he doesn't really like us. He scares us a lot. And if you know, I said us. One of my friends are here. Just don't know where he is right now.
That scared me.
Get in!
Hey, you have a little backpack on you.
You have to go. Go, in here.
Whoa.
Where'd you go?
I'm in
Hey,
the next one
Luca.
to you.
There's BB. Come on, this way, follow me. We might find a way out. I've only been this far.
Is there like an outside?
There's many monkeys here. You just don't know about them. I'm the only monkey. Me and my friend, we're the only monkeys that want to actually work. Get out. But yet there's all the other ones, they don't want to. I think we're good. Go, over here. And here is another hiding place. As you can see, he's another monkey. It's a Cajun. This way.
That scared me super much. Oh, he almost got me.
We must go. Hurry. There's only one way out that I know. This way. But don't go.
Oh, the monster has got us. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
No, they must have got us.
I think they did.
We gotta go. Come on, before they come. Any of them come. We need to go. Wait. Is that? Hold on. This is my old equipment. When I first came here as a tour guide.
Actually,
I had my camera and stuff. Wait, my camera.
I have it
It's
right
down
here.
in mines. You hear that?
Yes.
It's Bubba. Come on, we have to go find my camera.
I have one. I have a camera.
That's the other guy's camera. The camera that I'm connected to.
Where are you? Did he go downstairs?
Yeah. Watch out, it's T750.
I'm hiding in the trash can or the bush or the garbage. New guy? I mean, not new guy. Tourist guy.
Come on. We have to run down there.
Hiding spot.
Hide under the stairs. Here's the lock. It went upstairs. I don't see my camera. Where'd it go? Little George.
This is scary.
Mine's always scary. You never know, they can knock us out any minute. People say that the past workers here left a message that the way to get out.
Ugh. You got knocked out again, man. Wake up.
Oh, I told you it's hard to escape. Ugh.
But we were close.
Yes. Let me see. We almost had my camera. Where'd it go?
Where did it go? But do we really need that camera?
Yeah, we have to record everything. Nobody at my high school is gonna believe that I actually got trapped here. It's Little George.
Blinky.
And it's the Blinky joining him.
How does he not see us?
Let's go. Something's coming.
Oh, I see it right there. I see the thing.
Run! Wasn't that scary?
That was really scary.
Hurry! We need to get across.
Okay, wait for me.
Something's coming. It's slimy.
Go down. Where did he go?
He's going down the stairs.
Okay, I'm hiding in the corner.
Come up. Over here.
Let's go.
I miss my family. I've been trapped here for 5 years, never being able to get out.
I don't know how I got here. I was with my family. I was sleeping.
You must think this is a dream, huh? Trust me. It's not. Something's coming. It was just that little rascal. Come on. We're so close to leaving. We're right here. We made it out.
We're finally out.
After days and days. Is this from the family? We did it. Wait, what? Look out here. That's the city.
Wow,
But they
that's
built
amazing.
a force field around it. Wait, where is he going? Come on, we have to go see.
We have to go
Oh
see.
no!
Where's he going? We gotta go check. Uh-oh, what is
it's
that?
Pyro! Go around, son!
Oh, what is this?
Oh, maybe it was just a dream.
0,
I'm glad I'm
210,
home,
a
though.
million. What is this place?
Ugh!
Who are
How'd
you?
you get here?
Who are you?
Who am I? You're in my treehouse, man. This is home.
Whoa, what is this?
They built a few things in construction while I was gone.
Whoa.
That's weird. Oh yeah, me and my family built this when I was younger. We stashed a bunch of things in here. You have to buy it.
It says I have $1 million.
Yeah, for some reason we had that much money. But I just don't understand. Why aren't we still at the factory?
Wait, should we check out this place, like how we mine?
Oh yeah, that I remember when before anything happened, they were just building this place. But it did say something about there being spiders, so that's why they were building it. They were building it, but they never finished, I guess.
Don't we need our equipment? Isn't there like some sort of equipment?
Yeah, we had pickaxe and stuff. We can go get some.
Okay. I think I have them in my shop.
Got crowbars.
Wait, don't we need some backpacks and some lights?
Yeah, that would be smart. But I don't think we're going in here just to get some gold. I think the objective is
Here you go.
to find our family.
Okay.
Yeah, the objective to find our family.
I'm gonna see if I can put it on my hip. Oh wow, I can.
It's pretty cold out here. You want a jacket?
Yeah, let's go get a jacket.
I got you, man. Come here, follow me.
Let me turn this off.
Over here. Or over here.
Wow, that's me.
Me and my family invented this. Out the pool!
Oh, I feel warmer.
You see that cellular machine? over there?
Yeah.
That's how we got rich.
Do we need any weapons?
Yeah,
What, our
you might want to
pickaxes?
get some.
Our pickaxes. Here you go. I think I have some
It
revolvers.
still gets rough out here though. So pickaxe might do some damage, but not all the time. We invented these. They're called hook shots.
I think I have them in my shop.
Yeah, my whole family does.
Oh, I do.
And then I created a mini one, but I don't know where it went. I lost it, kind of. So yeah.
I think we're good to
Anyways. Alright. Do you have your pickaxe?
go. Yes, do you?
Yes, do you?
Yeah.
Here.
Buy one more round of bullets. Okay. Because you have 4 in there. 2 for me, 2 for you. Are you ready to go?
You ready?
Yeah, get your pickaxe
I'm ready.
out. Whoa, this hook shot is amazing.
Yes. Amazing indeed. Actually, in fact, let me do this real quick. I think we're all set.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, there's stuff to mine
We
here.
must find a way out of here. Maybe this is the way to see my family again.
I think we should put these in our book bag.
I think we should go in the cave. You ready?
Yeah. We can pick that up
Alright.
later.
Come on. Come next to me. Stand right here. Let's go.